Why, therefore, big question, why does unemployment matter? It's not just a number, okay? The unemployment rate affects real people's lives. There is loss in unemployment, there is loss of income, there is a lower level of spending from the consumer, there is a lot of emotional stress and hardship that can happen, and we've also got the idea of slower economic growth occurring because unemployment is there. This is why governments and economists watch the idea of unemployment as closely as they do. However, how do we measure unemployment? Well, we take the number of people who are unemployed, we divide that number by the labor force.